All the anxiety of the move is over with. The house is sitting on its new foundation, and now we get to start the rebuild, starting on the fireplaces. I am so sorry that we didn't get much video of this first fireplace. There's plenty of video of the other ones, but there's only a little bit of video, a lot of pictures of the first chimney, and I cannot tell you how excited that we were to get started on this. But along with getting started on it, this tired old man, that's the reason that there was not very many pictures and video of the first one. I started this thing in August, and it was very, very hot, and I had not laid any brick, hardly any, in about 35 or 40 years. So it took me a little while to get back in shape and get back in my old form, so to speak. But man, I was so excited to get started. I hope you will enjoy this first chimney and fireplace and the start of the rebuild on this precious home. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. This is what it looks like on the ground. Like I said, hadn't finished it yet. Still got a bunch of brick to clean up. There's Pa. Walk in here and we can see what it looked like in here. Cleaning up in here today.
film it again here in a little while. We'll have it all cleaned up.
You don't even want me to carry them half blocks in there?
You can just carry them. You throw them out the window. I won't use them. I won't use them in here. We had them in here for something, and then we took them out, Father. So. Oh, this is the finished product. In there, in the house part. Finished it last week or so. Cleaned up a little bit in here this week. But anyways, that's the finished product.
It sure was tough on this tired old man getting back started laying brick. But you know what? After I got started, even in August, after a few days, maybe a week or so, I got back in my old form, and I think I did a pretty good job. Anyways, I let some of my kids lay a brick so they could go back and show their kids later on in life and say, I laid that brick right there. And they could have something that tied in a little bit of history to this house. I am sure glad that y'all are watching, and I hope you continue to watch the rebuild on this, like I said, precious home to me. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. We got some surprises for you in the next video I think you will like.